Hello guys, let's mukbang time. This is the one I cooked earlier. I have the fried rice, but I don't eat fried rice. I don't eat rice, so just stay there. And I have the dinengdeng, that is saluyot in labong, corned beef, tocino, the fried fish, look at that, and the sausawan with vinegar. And another dinengdeng, this is gabi, string beans, patola, at saka ampalaya. And I think there is some talong. And of course, the dessert, that's the one I made earlier, that's a jello. Gelatin. And my glass of smoothie with the letter N. No. And because I don't eat rice, so I just have a piece of feta. That is a feta bread. Okay guys, let's eat. Join me here. This is my brunch. I didn't eat my breakfast yet, so let's eat guys. Hello, now let's eat. Join me guys. Now let's start. I don't know where to start. Start with my bread. Let's start with the corned beef. So much food. Sinipag pong Inday kasi day off. Kaya ayan, nagluto. Kala mo naman mauubos lahat. Let's try with the corned beef. With my pita bread. Longganisa. So good. Let's dip in the vinegar. Eat salted fish. This is I think this is danggit. Crunchy guys. One more. Let's have some tomato. Sarap. Now let's try the saluyot in labong. So good. Sarap. Tuyo. Let's just dip it in vinegar. I really don't eat rice. Mm. Mm. So good. Let's just take the meat from the rice. Now let's try the other dinengdeng, the taro. May patola. Let's try the patola. I mean patola, gabi pala. Sarap ang gulay. Hindi kasi pwede magkamay. Sarap. Sino po? Gutom. Nagutom. One more of this. Namiss ko to eh. Lahat po masarap. Kasi ako yung nagluto. Ako po yung nagluto kaya masarap. Pero in fairness masarap. Busog na ako. Pusin lang natin tuyo. Yummy. Sensya na kayo guys ha. Nagutom. That's my brunch. Maybe not only brunch, maybe this is only my early supper na rin. I really like this bread. Fita. Cheers. Now, time for dessert. This is the one I cooked earlier, so nag-mold na po siya. This is the gelatin with corn and peaches, I think. Time for dessert. Sarap po siya. I'm really full, so thank you for watching po. Dahil po nagtatapos ang ating mukbang time. Now let's cheers for that. And this is Leonora Baltasar Mix Vlog. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye guys, God bless us all. Till next time again.